example is the Perseverance rover, currently traversing the surface of Mars. Perseverance relies heavily on AI for navigation, using its onboard cameras and sensors to create three-dimensional maps of its surroundings and identify potential hazards. This autonomous navigation capability allows Perseverance to cover more ground and explore areas that would be too risky for human-controlled rovers. AI algorithms analyze data collected by the rover's instruments, identifying areas of interest and even making decisions about which samples to collect. Future missions may involve swarms of AI-powered robots working collaboratively to explore distant planets, building structures, and conducting experiments, expanding our reach into the cosmos. Section 4: AI for a Healthier Planet. NASA's Earth Science Initiatives. While NASA is renowned for its space exploration endeavors, its mission extends to understanding and protecting our home planet as well. AI is playing an increasingly vital role in NASA's Earth science initiatives, enabling scientists to analyze vast datasets, monitor environmental changes, and develop solutions for a more sustainable future. AI algorithms analyze data from satellites, aircraft, and ground-based sensors to track changes in Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and land surface. These insights help scientists understand the complex dynamics of climate change and develop models to predict future impacts. AI-powered systems track deforestation, predict natural disasters, and assess the health of ecosystems, providing valuable information to policymakers and researchers working to protect our planet. By harnessing the power of AI, we can gain a deeper understanding of our planet, address environmental challenges, and create a more sustainable future for generations to come. Section 5: Challenges and Opportunities, Shaping the Future of AI in Space. The integration of AI into space exploration is not without its challenges. Operating in the harsh environment of space presents unique technical hurdles. Radiation, extreme temperatures, and the vast distances involved can all impact the performance and reliability of AI systems. Ensuring that AI can function reliably in these extreme conditions is crucial for the success of future missions. Beyond technical challenges, ethical considerations also come into play. As AI systems become more autonomous, questions arise about their decision-making processes and potential biases. Despite the challenges, the future of AI in space exploration is brimming with opportunity, enhancing our capabilities, expanding our reach, and deepening our understanding of the universe and our place within it.